this is Jane, and I'm going to show you how to use BoardVitals, which is SC4's nursing test preparation software. So you'll have to create your own free account through the SC4 library for BoardVitals. So you can scroll down on the library homepage to databases, and you could scroll right to B, BoardVitals, but we usually have it as a featured database. You can also just go to boardvitals.com. To register the first time, you would click on register. You must use your SC4 email address as your username. That's how it recognizes that you have paid access to the database. So you should never be charged for it because we paid for it for you. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Logging in with my email address and password, which I created on my own. And then I come to BoardVitals. We pay for 4 modules in BoardVitals. So there's a RN, PN, and then some for radiography. I'm just for demonstrations, I'm going to use the RN module. And your interface might look slightly different because I'm an administrator. But there's a couple ways you can do a quick start quiz where it just picks the questions for you. Or you can do a custom quiz, and that's what I'm going to do. And you can see my score recently. It's been 73%, which is pretty good. I'm not that great in the percentile. I don't have a nursing degree. And then there's my answer. These are some of the tests I've taken recently. So I'm going to do a new custom quiz, and we can do it in a variety of quiz modes. So one is test, just like you're testing yourself. Adaptive, which is just like it would be when you take the boards. So it's real time based on your responses. So it's time. Tutor means the first response to a question is used to determine your score. Or study open book. So, you can keep answering the question until you get the right answer. I'm going to choose tutor. And then the difficulty level, I'm choosing all. We can choose the question type. I'm just doing traditional for now, but you may play with any of these. No one is going to see your answers unless an instructor sends you a quiz. All subjects, I just want to clear this and choose my subject area, which is, let's say, management of care. And you can determine how many questions you want in your quiz. You can change it to. I'm just doing 3, untimed. Start my quiz. Then it asks you the question, and sometimes it's ranking questions or multiple choice questions. So it will be very similar to the boards. And I'm just going to choose one at random without even reading the question to save time. I don't know. I'll choose A. Check my answer. I'm in tutor mode, so that's okay. Check my answer, and it was incorrect. But it takes that answer because I was in tutor mode. But if I show explanation, it tells me the correct answer. Then it gives an explanation, the incorrect answer and why they're incorrect, the vital concept, and references. So where it drew the answer from, which is very useful. And it tells me it was a moderate difficulty level. If I wanted to, I could mark this because I got it incorrect and I didn't know it. And later you can create a quiz of all your marked questions To go to the next question, you just click next, and then answer it that way. If you need help with Board Vitals, of course, you may always come and see us. That was just a quick review of how to get into Board Vitals and use it. Their help center has many tutorials online that can be very helpful, or contact us. Thank you.